You use numbers every single day, but have you ever wondered what numbers actually are? Let's explore the fascinating world of numbers. Let's start with the most basic numbers, natural numbers. These are the numbers you learned to count with as a child. Natural numbers start at 1 and go on forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they never end. Mathematicians use the symbol n to represent natural numbers. But wait, what happens when you have nothing to count? That's where 0 comes in. 0 represents nothing, emptiness, the absence of quantity. When we add 0 to natural numbers, we get whole numbers. It's all the counting numbers plus 0. The only difference between natural and whole numbers is that whole numbers include 0. Everything else is the same. But there's still a problem. What about temperatures below freezing? We need numbers that go below 0. Together, all whole numbers and their negatives are called integers. That's negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers all combined. Fun fact, we use the letter Z from the German word, Zahlen, which means numbers. Let's see how everything fits together. Natural numbers are inside whole numbers, which are inside integers. Each set contains all the previous ones. To recap, natural numbers are for counting. Whole numbers add 0 to the mix. And integers include negative, 0, and positive. But wait, what about numbers between integers? Like 1/2 or pi? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for more math adventures.